Billy throws his school bag on the sofa as soon as he comes home from school. Mommy, give me food, I'm hungry! First, fix your room. Everything is lying in a mess. A mess? I had just cleaned it last week. How did it get dirty so quickly? When Billy looked at his room, he understood the situation. This really is messy. If things can get disordered on their own, then why can't they organize themselves? For this, you'll need to understand a little thermodynamics. What does thermodynamics have to do with my room getting dirty? The second law of thermodynamics applies everywhere and to everything, without discrimination, even to your room. According to this law, with time, everything moves from order to disorder, meaning entropy always keeps increasing. So my room became messy because of entropy? How? Let's divide your room into 4 equal sections, like this. Now, suppose you want to keep your 2 shoes in this part of the room, but instead, you throw them anywhere in the room. You shouldn't speak the truth that openly. Because the shoes are thrown randomly, they can end up in any of these 4 sections. That means any one of these 10 possible patterns can form, and the probability of each pattern forming is equal. If we observe carefully, the probability of both shoes ending up in this section of the room will be 3 out of 10. Here, we can see that the probability of the shoes being organized in the room is low, while the probability of them spreading out, meaning becoming disorganized, is higher. If we increase the number of shoes and the size of the room, the chance of all the shoes ending up on one side of the room keeps decreasing, while the probability of them spreading evenly becomes much higher. Here, we can imagine the shoes as gas molecules, or energy packets, which occupy the entire space to increase randomness. It is not impossible for gas or heat to be more on one side and less on the other, but the probability is so low that we practically never see it happening. So your room organizing itself is not impossible, but it is certainly improbable. Still haven't cleaned the room? Mommy, the room isn't dirty, it's just that its entropy is high. Then do some more work and reduce the entropy. What do you think? Can doing work reduce the entropy of a system?